Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, up, and away we go. Let's go. Okay, so we are looking at the DC Superman up, and away Heroclix Iconics figure. And as you can see, we have the Man of Steel himself about to change to his iconic superhero costume. Okay, on the side we have him initially as a humble reporter, and then on the other side of the box, him almost dressed up, and then at the back we have him flying out of the phone booth. Okay, so if you see also here, we have a quick description of what iconics are, specifically made for you. The collector iconics captures the moment that you love from the comics universe and brings them to your game shelf, play table, or Heroclix collection. Whether you're a simple reporter or spend your days leaping tall buildings in a single bound, you'll enjoy this iconic depiction of the man of tomorrow. So you can check out that website for more iconics goodies, and there is again a lot of iconic Superman moments, and this is definitely one of them, him changing from the phone booth to his Superman outfit. Okay, so inside, this is a what you see what you get product. Okay, so there's a window to see the figure and the terrain, telephone booth, and another quick description here. Look, up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's Superman. Dun, 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 dun. Behold the might of Superman as he soars into your collection with DC Heroclix Iconics Superman up, and away. This Iconics perfectly captures the essence of Superman's dual identity, showcasing the seamless transition from mild-mannered reporter Clark Kent into the emblem of hope that has captivated audiences for generations. Okay, so pretty straightforward. This was released 2024. Okay, but we just got ours in 2025, which is fine because of the holiday delays in shipping. And we're going to look at the figure, of course. Okay, so we have here the card for the character and the terrain. Okay. One thing to also note is that for most Iconics product, there's a different aesthetic for the card. Okay, so that brings additional value in my opinion. Okay, and really makes that the iconic Heroclix pop. Okay, so we have him here and the telephone booth. Let's pop them out, and let's pop out the figure. Let's cut him. Okay, oops, not yet. I am not a huge DC fan. Okay, I love Zatanna, as you can see here. Okay, but Superman is always a lovable figure because he stands for justice, as we know. Okay, and is out of the package. A very dynamic pose here. You can see him flying up, and away. Okay, so you cannot deny that the sculpt of Superman is really one of the most dynamic figures. Okay, and we have here the iconic moment from Clark Kent to getting out of the dress, getting out a little more, and then flying out of the phone booth. So capturing that moment. Okay, so let's take a look at the terrain first because this is what is being talked about. You can even argue that people buy this product for the terrain more than the figure. So the phone booth is a blocking terrain. You can see here brown circle around it, and it's T001. Okay, so here's the stat for the phone booth. It's a very sturdy phone booth because it requires 4 damage to break. And the effect is that adjacent characters can use shape change. If they're named Superman, when they use it and succeed until their next turn, this character can be targeted by opposing characters. Okay, so really strong because shape change can prevent you from being targeted by an attack. Okay, and at the same time, if you're Superman and you're able to do that one time or the first time, then you're safe at least for that particular turn. Okay, so interesting, and a lot of players are usually carrying this, okay, with a figure with super strength, so that uh, because that particular effect still works. uh, Oops. Okay, so it still works, I guess, as if you have as if you are adjacent to that phone booth. Okay, so correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but that is my understanding. Okay, so anyway, so definitely we're gonna need one in our team building. Okay, and we have here next the Superman figure, which is also not too shabby, not just sculpt wise, but if you look at his power, okay, he is, what's this? There's an arrow here. Or is that a bird? Okay. The JSA and Superman team ability, 026 Iconics line, a special movement, up, and away, which is charge. When Superman uses it, after resolutions, knock back each opposing character he move through. Okay, so he can really disrupt formations, and he has again 10 movement, so that's 5 charge. And at the back, we see a special defense power. This looks like a job 4, which is stop and impervious, and a special damage power, mild-mannered reporter Clark Kent, which is perplex, outwit. At the beginning of your turn, you may deal Superman 1 unavoidable damage. Okay, this is Clark Kent, Action Comics number 119. So reviewing it, it means you start off with a mild-mannered Clark Kent. Okay, but if you want to, you can always click it one at the beginning of your turn. So if you feel like you want to switch on the attack mode, which is you can see here super strength, so he can carry the phone booth during the charge. That special defense power up, stop, impervious, and 4 damage leadership. Okay, all for 60 points, and he also has 4 range to targets. So as I said, not too shabby. But the only way to really know for sure is to test the figure. So that's what we're gonna do one of these weekends, play test this phone booth and possibly Superman. So what do you guys think? Have you gotten hold of these iconics yet? If not, make sure you do. Bye bye. Up, up, and away.